Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will give you some tips and tricks to help you boost your speed in AutoCAD. And for today's video, I will discuss about extracting data and text from AutoCAD to Excel file. And to do that, let's open some AutoCAD file here. So for example, this galleys. Okay, as you can see in the monitor, we have road alignment here. We have road number. We have manhole name, cover level, invert level, and the trench line number. So this text, we will import it, we will extract it from AutoCAD to Excel, including the exact location of this manhole in an easiest and the fastest way. And to do that, let's start with command layer. We will make a layer first. For example, a text layer. Actually, we already have. So we will just use that text layer. Okay, it's already current. It's checked. It means it's current layer. And now let's type the numbering. This numbering is our guide for the sequence of clicking the manhole name. It's important, that one. So when we make text, just text, command text, it's important also that we will type the exact location, the center line of this manhole, because this is the coordinates. So let's type the center as our base point. And then enter, type 1. And now let's copy this to other manhole. Again, it's important to click the insertion point, because this is our base point. Okay, let's copy to other manhole. Anyway, since this is just a sample only, I will not make it all. I will make some at least 9 numbers of manhole, just to show you only the method and the concept of this tutorial. And then lay ISO. So since this all is 1, now let's go to Express Tools, to the pull down menu, Auto Numbers. Select the text that we typed and then enter. Select order, just look at the cursor of the monitor of the AutoCAD and then type 1, enter, and then override. As you can see, it will change 6, 7, 8. It's not in the sequence, but it's okay. This is guide only. And then type play on. And now let's go to the next step, which is I will use list application. In this step, list application, type upload. In this step, I will use text to column application. Just click this one, load, and then close. And then type text location, again, maybe it's not upload, so let's upload again the text location, load, close, and then text location, so let's put it in desktop. This is the file name, save, and the next command, text to column. Then we have to click the manhole name, cover level, invert level, and the line, trench line name. So it's important also that we have to be consistent. The sequence of clicking, selecting the text. So for example, this one, I will pick first the manhole name, cover level, invert level, and the line trench. I will show you the output of this one to Notepad. As you can see here, A1, A4, 253, 16.339, the cover level, and 11788, line 02, and so on. We will make that same procedure in other manhole names. I just show you the sample first, and then again, text to column, select the manhole name, the cover level, the invert level, and the line, and so on with the other manhole. So we are in number 4. As you can see here, we are in the line 02E, and then it changed from line 02. You can see that in Excel later. Erase. So I will make this one as just a sample only, because I erase the manual name of this. So from number 4, again, it's important that the sequence, the clicking of the manhole sequence. Anyways, you can't move this number, because if you move this one in the coordinates, it will move the coordinates. So it will change the coordinate. This manhole number, it will not be in the exact coordinates. So don't move that one. And then from number 4, we will go to number 5. Text to column. Select manhole name, same procedure, and line 02. Number 6. Since this is the same line, so we can click it repeatedly. It's okay, no issue with that one. Number 6. So the sequence, so since it's number 6 and number 9, we should go to number 7. Again, I delete the manual name, but since this is sample, I will make just this one a sample. ext2 column. And this is line 02, again with number 8. And then number 9. So I delete again. Don't confuse, because this one is I just accidentally delete the manhole name, so I just used other manhole name, because this just sample only. And then after that, I will open the output from the notepad. So as you can see here, we already have a manhole name, cover level, invert level, and the branch name. Now let's go to the next step. Let's convert it first to Excel file. This notepad, I will open one Excel file here. So save as, let's name is a manhole name. Manhole name. Save. And to extract from notepad to Excel, let's go to data. From text, let's look the notepad file, which is this one. Insert delimited, next, and then finish. Okay, so we already have extracted the file. Row height, we'll make it 20. Center. We don't need this CL, the cover level, so we can remove that one by using find and replace. And also this IL, invert level, we don't need that one. Okay, then let's type here manhole name. Cover level, invert level, and then the branch name. And now we convert already we extract already the text, manhole text to Excel. Let's go to the next step, extracting this X and Y location, the coordinates, the exact location of this manhole. And to do that, let's ISO first the numbering, isolate. It's not, I will change this, it's not visible. I will make cyan. That's why what I've said before, it's important the insertion point, the base point, because this is the location, the coordinates, the X and Y. So to extracting the coordinates point, let's type command dx, which is data extraction. After that, the pop-up window will appear, and then next, the location, like for example desktop, and then the file name. We will use for example one, save. Select object. We have to select object, which is the numbering that we make. It's important also the sequence, or anyways you can click it one time. We can arrange it in Excel later. And then next, we don't need this 3D visualization, drawing, general. We need only here, uncheck also this height, no need that one. We need only the X and Y position, no need this one also, this style, the value, we need that one, which is the number. Next, and then sort, ascending already, it's okay. Next, input extraction table. We can make also the automatically Excel file, but I will show you the table first since this is a tutorial. So next, and then finish. I will just change the color, and then we already have the table. What we have to do is to export this table in the Excel file. Just click the table, right click, and then export. In desktop, file name table 1, CSV file, save. Now let's open that file. It's already here. And then the file that we make. So since we need this only the X and Y position, because this is the information, the data that we need in this Excel. This is what I've said before. The sequence, the numbering is not in the sequence. We can change it here by using data and then sort. But take note that this, if you click only this and sort this one, it will change only this column. That's why it's important that we have to highlight all the column, select sort by, which is letter C, because we have to follow this sequence in the column C. Values is smallest to largest, and then it will automatically change. So now we have to copy the X and Y. Like what I've said, this is the X location. Paste, or you can copy it all one time. And then X is eastings location, the eastings coordinates, and the Y is the northings. And now we extracted already the data and the text. We already have the manhole name, the cover level, the invert level, trench name, and the eastings and northings. This is the concept of this tutorial. Instead of copying each one by one from AutoCAD and then to Excel, instead of doing this procedure, this is the easiest and the fastest way. And to check, we have to check if we have in the correct location. I just show you how to check that one. And to do that, we will make a formula in the Excel. Equals and sign. Oh, let's click first the eastings column, cell, and then the end, sign. Just look at the cell and then end sign, and the northings cell. Just pull down, and now let's check it. Just copy from Excel, just copy this one in AutoCAD, Command PL. See, it's in the exact location. Number 1, A1, A4, 25, bar 3, 16.329, and then 11.788 in this location. Manhole number 1. Let's try this. Polyline. This is manhole name A1, A4, 28, A23, 16.898, 15.098. Let's check this one. We'll make a randomly check only. This is just to show you that is in the correct, that we are in the right track. So A1, A4, 211, 7224. As you can 7224 and then 15424. So that's correct. So that's it for this tutorial. You can make it practice or explore it as long as you know the concept and the method. So thank you for watching. Enjoy learning. Bye.